Now we learn active and passive voice in simple future tense. Simple future. See, objects, these are objects I, we, they, you, and here will and shall we use for future tense, simple future, will and shall. See here, where verb, draw, talk, see, come, go, show, work, ask. See here, objects, a picture, good things, the matter, to Mysore, to court, or work, all the day, many questions. See now first we learn how to make sentence in a future tense, simple future tense. See here the sentences we will draw a picture. We will draw a picture. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡೋಣ ಸಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅವರು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಯು ಶೆಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರ್ ನೀನು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೀಯೇ ಯು ಶೆಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅವನು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾನೆ ಈ ಶೆಲ್ ಶೋ ಅರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅವನು ಅವನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೇ ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ದಿನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ರಾಜು ಶೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ರಾಜು ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ sentences in future. See how we make many sentences. See, they shall talk good things. They shall talk good things. They shall draw a picture. ಅವರು ಪಿಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ರಚಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಶೆಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಅವನು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಸಿ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅವನು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಶೆಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ table. I hope you also write some many sentences using this table. Now we learn how to make active into passive voice. Here are example I am do for you. See, we will meet you next day. See, we will meet you next day. As you know, subject, verb with helping verb will, and you is a object. So next day. See, while we are changing into active to passive voice, we use new words be and by for future. Simple future ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು be and by. Usually we use this preposition for all passive voice. See, first we take object. We start with the object. While we are doing any passive voice, we start with the objects. You, you will. We use the same helping verb you will, and you see we are using new word be. You will be met. You will be met. See, this is third form of verb we use in a passive voice. While we are changing into passive voice, we use verb form in a third form. I always telling this, you keep it in mind. So you will be met by us. You will be met by us next day. See how we use new words here and here. And you see next sentence how we can do. We will not meet you next day. The same sentence come in negative sentence. So in negative sentence how we will do it, we will see now. Subject and see verb with helping verb and you object. See next day. So now we take object. So you is the same thing we use in a subject place also. You will. See here not. Here not is there. So in this sentence also we mention not. You will not meet. You will not met by us next day. See in the next sentence, I will sell my books. See, subject will, verb will, shall, sell. See verb and my books is a object. See, two words is there. My books, we have to recognize it's a object because there are two words. Sometimes we confuse. So, now after my study, now we take the first object. See, we start with the object. My books, my books. See, it's a plural, but it's not matter of a singular plural while we are changing into passive voice in the simple future tense. Simple future tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ singular plural consideration ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು be ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. My my books my books will my books will be sell. See, third form of verb we are using sold. My books will be sold by I. When it come to object place, we write it as a me, write as me after my studies, after my study. So you continue writing that like. So now you learn how we change it into passive voice. See, using be and by. My books will be sold by me after my studies. Okay, now we see the same sentence comes in a negative form. See, negative form, we are seeing the same sentence, we can write it quickly because you know it, what subject verb object. See, my books will my books will not my books will not. Now we write after not be. My books will not be sold. My books will not be sold. We are using now preposition by. See, our subject we are putting here in the object place. Me after my studies. After my study. Okay. Now you see next examples I am doing for you. See, Raju will build a house. See, Raju subject will build verb with helping verb. A house is a object. So we start with the object. A house. A house will be built. See, built, built. So build as a third form of verb we are using in a passive voice. I am always stressing at this point to remember it well. Built by Raju. Built by Raju. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಮೂರನೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಥರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎ ಹೌಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಬೈ Raju. Next sentence we see we shall join the army. He shall join the army. See, subject will join verb with helping verb. See, the army object. So now we take the army. We start with the object. The army shall be joined. So this verb you see second form it's also third form joined. Third form of verb we are using be joined by him. Now the changes which are taken place here, be and by. I think you understand how to do. Here are more example, you will learn more it. See, he shall join the tuition. He shall join the tuition. See, here now you can identify subject, helping verbs and tuition object. Now we take the object because I'm always telling this first. Tuition, tuition, tuition. The tuition shall be joined by. See, he become him because it comes to in a object base, so we write it as a him. Now we see next problem. He shall not join the tuition. Negative form ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು. ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. The tuition shall not be joined by him. I think you learnt write it now. See next example I am taking. See, it will work all day. See here, it is a subject, will work verb with helping verb, all the day. All the day is a object. See, is a three words, but don't confuse, it's giving one meaning. Isn't it? A praise, it's giving one meaning. One praise ಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. See, I am taking the object. all the day all the day will be work. All the day will be worked. All the day will be worked by it. All the day will be worked by it. See how we change the words, how it change and how it giving meaning. Meaningly there is no change in meaning, both are giving the same meaning. It will work all the day, ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ದಿನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ದಿನವೂ ಇದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ writing or talking is a change. Now we see next, it will not work all the day. The same things comes in negative form. Now you see how we do it. All the day will not be worked by it. If you do it this practice continuously, then it will be very easy to do that. So if you not practiced, it seems to be very different. So you practice well. Now you take next example. They shall attend the meeting. See, they subject, will attend verb, and the meeting. Now we take the meeting. The meeting shall be attended by, they become them, because you know why it comes to the object place. Now you see in the same negative form, it was there, they shall not attend the meeting, it was in negative form. So the meeting shall not attended, the meeting shall not be attended by, they become them. Now I think you understand to do the last one. You see, Raju shall visit the doctor. Raju's subject, shall visit verb, the doctor is a object. So now you start with the object. The doctor shall be visited. The doctor shall be visited by Raju. See, the name comes as it comes in the object place also. I hope you learn it and practice it well and learn it well.